Hello there, today I'm going to show you how to use our 3D tools, and transform your 2D floor plan into 3D. So, I assume you have imported your floor plan and scaled the plan. If you have not done this, please watch our video on this. Now, first you're going to click on the Extras tab. You will see it's next to the Help tab on your toolbar. So let's scroll down until we see the Wall Builder button. You will see the Builder tool open. Now just click on the floor plan. For this example, I'm starting in the top left corner of the room. Using your mouse or cursor, just start tracing the floor plan. For a venue like this one, tracing the outline would take approximately 30 seconds. You will see, you just click the mouse to move around the room. It's easy to trace around corners and edges around the room. Now this is all done, just click on Finish Wall. You will see this button on the right side of the page. That's it, it's all done. Now, click on 3D Scene. This button is located on the Object menu. Once you click on 3D Scene, the system will now build your floor plan in 3D. While in the 3D scene, this is where it gets exciting. You can change heights of walls, change background colors, insert logos, images or videos that can play in the background. Now, I'm going to show you another way to create your plan in 3D. On the left in your Smart Shapes, you will see a stencil for basic shapes and building. You can also use the search option and search for walls, or maybe search for windows, doors, etc. Now, just drag the wall onto the plan. So you can build your venue from scratch in 2D and 3D. Now just as before, once you have finished, click on the 3D Scene button. Look at that, you are done. You can add your furniture and equipment onto your floor plan, and once again, click on the 3D Scene button.